live stream. So in this live stream, I'll show you a cursor alternative for VS Code. So you don't need to pay subscription fees for cursor. You can try out this open source local alternative. So there is this extension that you can install here, which is called as Cline, C-L-I-N-E. If you directly write this, this is the extension which offers free access to all the major AI providers, which are completely free. So it's a coding agent, you may say, and it's #1 on Open Router. So 2 million installs are there. So simply click the install button and simply install this extension inside VS Code. So once it get installs, you can go to the sidebar section and you will see this appearing right here, which is Cline, C-L-I-N-E. So just activate this and you can actually try out this Grok Code Fast 1 model completely free. So whenever there is a new model which is released, it will be coming from this extension, and you can make an actually API request right here, and it will actually perform this. You can returning this message, hello, how I can help you today, and you can configure any model. In this video, I'm using Gemini 2.5 Pro, and you can actually build any application. So I will say build a image to PDF app and create a image file and write the code. So you just write the prompt here and it will automatically create your files. It's similar to Cursor, but it's completely free. So there is no subscription fees charged. You simply write the prompt and then automatically it is writing the code for you, as you can see on the right hand side. So these are some of the free alternatives for Cursor. You don't need to pay subscription fees for Cursor yet again. So you can see that it actually built a complete, you can accept or reject the changes, and you can see the live preview. It's an image to PDF converter, and you can even ask follow-up questions as well. Please make this little more premium UI. So you can even ask follow-up questions as well. So it will read this and make the adjustments to this code as well. So one other extension you can use is this one, Continue, which is a very popular extension which offers free access to all the AI providers. So if you just write Continue, and it's an open source AI coding agent, and this is their official website, and it's completely free. And as you can see, the pricing section, it's offering a free plan. You click on install, and whenever you install this, it's almost getting 2 million installs as well. So these are some of the popular alternatives, you may say. So you don't need to pay for subscription fees for Cursor in VS Code. So go to extensions right here. You will see this Continue. Simply activate this. Right in the chat prompt here, you can actually use any model here. You can even add your own chat model as well. So you need to select the provider, simply select the provider and paste the API key, and you can get started for completely free. So these are some of the alternatives, guys. Definitely try this. Instead of using Cursor, you can use these.